turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just...
Hey guys, it's Linda and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do this green look inspired by a blouse that I have. And if you want to know how I made this look, just keep watching. When I started this video, I was like, yeah, let's make a video. And then I realized I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't have any plans. I didn't know what kind of makeup that I was gonna do, colors, nothing. And I was like, am I gonna do something like weird or normal or I don't know. I was just... But then I found out, well, I saw this. I have this blouse that is really green and very super nice. And I remember when I was younger, I always did green makeup looks. Always. So maybe I'm gonna go back to that. I'm gonna do green today. I'm gonna start with using the Flash Crayon in Avoir from Linda Hallberg, from me. This shade is actually one of our best sellers, and I kind of get it because it's a beautiful shade. Many people, they ask me how do I blend the crayons because they dry pretty fast. If you blend them before they dry, you have like 30 seconds to a minute. They blend perfectly. And it's also better if you don't have primer underneath. If you have like a very dry base, they dry faster. And if you have a naked lid with nothing on, they don't dry that fast. And I'm so happy that one of the biggest trends this spring and summer is glitter and metallics. Alright, now I just use this green crayon all around the eye. And now I'm gonna use Ethereal from the Enchanted Secrets Duochrome palette. And it is this shade here. It looks kind of like golden, brownish, greenish-ish. And I'm gonna apply it with my finger on top of this, and you can see how beautiful and green it turns out. I'm in love with this shade. It's almost like a bug. And I'm also gonna blend it a little bit with my brush, because I find it really hard to blend with my fingers. Either way, do you want me to do a challenge, like fingers only challenge or something? Or Q-tips only challenge? I feel like I want to do a challenge soon. Okay, so for the outer corners and a little bit underneath my eyes, I'm gonna use something else because I don't want to go all the way around with glitter. I'm going for the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and they have one called 100 inside here, and it's not matte, but it's a dark green. I'm gonna use Smokey from my Infinity palette to blend it out a little bit. I'm gonna use it as a transition shade. And usually I put the transition shade afterwards. I know many people, or most of all the YouTubers I see and all the makeup artists I know, they put the transition shade first. And I've always been told that I was doing wrong. You're doing wrong. That's not right. But I'm like, I've always done like this. So I feel like for me this is the right way or the only way, because I don't know how to do the other way. So I feel like this is the easiest way to do it. I mean, nothing is right, nothing is wrong as long as the result is good in the end, right? I'm gonna do an eyeliner. I have this period when I just didn't like eyeliner at all, and now I feel like I need to do eyeliner all the time for every look. And so I'm gonna do an eyeliner. I think I'm gonna do quite a bold eyeliner actually. So I'm using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper, which is my favorite eyeliner at the moment. So let's do this hooded eyes eyeliner for this look. For mascara, I'm using Troublemaker from Urban Decay, which is I think that's my favorite mascara at the moment, because I'm using so much false lashes, so I don't really need the curl, but it's great for bottom lashes because I get so much volume, and I barely have any bottom lashes at all, so this one is great for good volume for the bottom lashes. The lashes I'm gonna use are the ones that I got in LA, and it's the Eylure Jasmine Brown collaboration, and they look like this. Woo! On my lips, I'm gonna use a liquid lipstick from Nabla. It's called Cocoa. I'm just gonna fix my base a little bit because actually before this video, I slept for 2 hours because I was so tired when I got home from the hairdresser. So I took a long power nap with my makeup on. So I'm just gonna fix my base a little bit. I'm gonna put on some Duochrome highlight, I think. I'm gonna use the Enchanted Secrets Duochrome palette again, but I'm gonna use it on my cheeks. So I'm gonna use Zephyr with, oh, here it is. So I'm done, and even though I had no idea what to do in the beginning, it turned out pretty good in the end. And I like green. I do. I can't deny it. Maybe I'm gonna do more green. Maybe. But yeah, this is it for today. If you have any tips on challenges that I can do, please comment down below because I really want to know. I want to do something fun, okay? So make sure to click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next time. Bye guys!